Hey folks, how we doing? Mr. Carter here. I'm going to show you today how to do a new artifact for your American Revolution pocketbook called Soldier's Uniform. So it's just a uh, little piece that looks like this. So it's going to have both the British soldier and the Continental soldier, and when you open inside, you will see the British soldier and the Continental soldier in here. Okay, so how you're going to start is you're going to get your piece of yellow construction paper that looks like so, and then you're going to fold it in half, going the lengthwise. So you're going to have a page that goes half like this. And then what I would like you to do is to take this half and you're going to fold it into a fourth, like that. And then you're going to take this piece, this side here, and you're going to fold it again to the middle so that it looks something like that. So you'll see that we now have our book that we're going to start building. Okay, so you're going to get the papers from your teacher, what you need, and you're going to just simply glue in the middle. So if I open it up, you're going to put the title up here at the top, Soldier's Uniforms. That's going to be glued up at the top there. And then, like so. And then you're going to glue your Continental soldier and your British soldier. And it doesn't really matter what side you put them on. I don't care about that. But you're just going to put the picture, and now you're putting it kind of in the middle, right? So that way when you open your book, it's going to be in the middle. Okay? So you don't want the soldiers to be on this side. You want them to be in the middle. So you're going to just glue these guys down. Okay, so again, it doesn't really matter where you put the picture when you start. Where it does matter is on the front. Okay, and I'll talk about that in a second. So again, so you're gluing this down like so. Okay, so now what you do want to do is match. So you're going to close your book like this. Okay, and you do want to have your write-up match the soldier inside. See, so I have British soldier here. So I'm going to double check to make sure it's a British soldier here. Oh no, I got my Continental soldier, so that's not right. So I'm going to switch it out and I'm going to put the write-up for my Continental soldier to match the Continental soldier inside. So you're going to glue that part down. And you want it towards the bottom of your book because you will be cutting this part out here in a second. So you're going to glue this in somewhere towards the bottom. And then you're going to glue, again, this side here, British soldier. Again, it matches British soldier with the British soldier. Okay, and I'm going to just go like this. Right. And there we go. Okay, now our final step is to cut this part out. So I'm going to show you, and you want to be very careful on how you do that. So I'm going to open, I just slide it over to the side. I'm going to open it up a little bit, and I'm going to see where there's a gap here with the drawing and the title. You don't want to cut it down here because then your soldier is going to peek out a little bit. So you want to cut it like where the gap is so that your soldier will be completely covered up. So watch me. So again, I'm cutting right here where the gap is. I'm going to go all the way to my fold. And then once I hit the fold, I'm just going to trim out where the fold is. There you go. There's one half. Now we're going to do the same thing to this half. So again, I'm looking for the gap between the drawing of the soldier and the title. And I'm just going to put my scissors, line it up there, and like that. Go to my fold, open up my fold, and cut my fold. And there you go. And now what you need to do is go over and read the information about these soldiers. And then what I would like you to do is then color in the soldiers in historically accurate colors. So you can research what colors the Continental soldiers wore, and the British soldiers, of course, we know those are the redcoats, so that would be important to color them historically accurate. All right, my friends, if you have problems, you can take a look at my model or ask your teacher for help.